Hey everyone, Mackenzie Therese here and welcome to the channel. I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of my subscribers. I got a whole bunch of new subscribers since my last video and I am very excited about it. So I just want to let you all know how thankful I am for all your likes and your comments and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoy the painting. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. If you are an artist and you have a YouTube channel and you want me to check it out, just leave me a comment and I will. I like looking at other people's artwork and stuff like that, so if that's something you're interested in, just let me know. If you like the painting, give me a thumbs up and comment, and make sure and subscribe to the channel. If you want to donate to the channel, there is a PayPal link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching and have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time.